Morning to all the faculty members. I am pleased and honored to be here amongst the next generation of people who will take up this polymer industries and support this industry which is in need of the country for growing its economy. So I will be sharing some insights on how the processing part of it. So thanks Mr. Anish who has introduced my career. So I joined this business in 1991 after 35 years of service over here. So maybe that is something very new to the younger generation. So in IT industries, if they pass out around 2 years or 3 years, they will give a long service award. So like that we have crossed the year 30 years, we used to have a long service award for 15, 20 and 30 years. So one day we can say we don't have any opportunity outside. Otherwise that we continue to here because we do not have the other thing we want to continue and then contribute to the extent possible. So this company I am representing is a Shibaura machine. This is a Japanese MNC having headquarters at Japan. Originally, this business was under L&T, Larsen and Toubro. This business was under Larsen and Toubro. Under the name of Larsen and Toubro, one machine was sold to the Crescent Engineering College. Still, it is there in the institute, and probably it is used by the students for research studies. We are happy to note that, and we will be happy, more than happy to support that for any such kind of activities to come. So in 2012, this business was hived by L&T to Shibaura machine. That time it was called Toshiba, and then further it was called Shibaura. So that's a brief note about the machine. As a product, Shibaura machine in Japan and Shibaura machine in India. There are two entities in this case. So in Japan, it is manufacturing, injection molding, extrusion, die casting machine tools, robotics, etc., etc. In India, we manufacture injection molding machine and auxiliary equipment, which we will be seeing it now. So before I proceed further, I would like to have seen this exhibit. Household application. Highly corrosive polymer, as you know, it requires a special treatment for processing the screw with special coating against the corrosion. The machine is manufactured by us and it is interfaced with the robo to pick and place on the conveyor and gets collected. So this CPVC is with the runners, which we call it as cold runner in this case, which gets cut off and then is used. These are all the auxiliary system in conveying the CPVC material from the bags we get from the market into a conveyor and then a loader and then process the material. From that way we look at it. So where are these used? Automotive application, which I need not have to tell, everyone is seeing day in, day out. Many parts of automobile products made of plastics. We form that material and the cap of different material. So all that comes under the packaging application, electrical, then you have got medical application, then you have got toys, household, personal care, consumer goods. So if you see this application of plastics, it is spread across our life in various aspects. Do you think we have equivalent material? I doubt. Now, if you look at just just little more deeper, as one of the professor also said, automobile or including aircraft requires less weight and more power to drive it. So for reducing the weight, you have got plenty of application. And the technologies in reducing the weight. So finally, initially it was made of steel. Generally, if you see all the machineries or all the equipment, steel, from steel to aluminum to reduce the weight, from aluminum to the plastics. So that way it goes. For the same application, the technology moved from steel to aluminum and then to the plastics wherever possible. So one of the things which you say, fiber reinforced thermoset plastics, biomass, carbon fiber reinforced plastics, polyamide. So these are all the ways and means retain the strength and reduce the weight even in plastics. So this is how the technology is moving. Some more which this is what we have seen, the PVC fittings, and right now it is PVCO fittings to reduce further energy of the water content inside. Not only for the water, also for the liquors and other things. The cap has to be pilferage proof. That means the cap should not be easily producible. So they used to go for a kind of a two color. If you see the oil can which are used in the automobile application for filling the two-wheeler or four-wheeler, servo, SCRVO. That servo, if it is printed, anyone can print it and then pilferage the or adulter the oil inside. So they have gone for the servo as a two material. A servo is in white color, where the background is a blue color, and different combinations. So just to make the cap with the two different material, you require a machine of a different configuration to inject two different materials with the two different color, and which is difficult to make a copy. So pilferage proof just for one application. Like that, plenty other applications. If it is go for the light, automobile light, you have got white and red together in the same molding. So in the case of automobile, earlier we used to have the halogen lamp. So with the halogen lamp, and then you have got a very good reflector. So now that has moved to LED lamp. When you go for LED lamp, no reflector as well, that itself is powerful. So the cover for the light lamp should be of red and white or transparent. So for these things you require this kind of machine. Another thing is LSR, liquid silicon rubber. The simple application is your battery cover, cell phone cover. From there, so many other dustbin, and then go for the new purchase of mixer or grinder. You have to carry the old mixer or grinder from your own house, go to the market, give them the old one, broken one, and buy that. So that way they ensure the waste plastics are collected back and given to the processor. This is one way. Whereas in India, we are asking the manufacturer, there are pollution control insisting on manufacturer to collect that material, use it, and then reduce the your original virgin material consumption. But if the virgin material cost is, let us say, 100, the waste plastics collected and reprocessed is 110, 120. So which manufacturer will use that? We say it is a waste, but the waste material you collect. How you collect? You have to employ a mechanism to collect it. Then collected material cannot be all same plastic. It has to be reprocessed, and then reprocessed, get into the same, and then use it. So the cost of waste plastics is 10, 15, 20% more than the virgin material. So that is the biggest challenge for us. But because of the regulation and forced by the pollution control, somehow the manufacturer, like MNC manufacturers, started using it. What is this? So as I said, various material and material which are, there are different regulations which are there. So the recovery and recycling are highly unorganized in India because it is.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful words. Your valuable insights will surely inspire us to strive towards the excellence.